This is ROMOLA Titan, compact, very small, aesthetically looking machine here. What comes with the machine? It comes with the portafilter. The size of the basket is 58 millimeter, which is standard. It also comes with a blind basket here for when you backflash your machine. And this one is the brush, the Espresso cleaning brush, a beautifully designed temper here, wooden handle, stainless base, okay, right here. A pipe, inlet water pipe. You can actually connect it to a water line, or you can use the built-in tank right here. And this is the drain pipe, which is connected at the bottom here for the filter, the drain filter here. Let's take a short recap. What we have here is the temperature gauge, pressure gauge. This is the hot water dispenser. This is the single shot dispenser, double shot dispenser. The setting at the moment for single shot dispenser is for 27 seconds. The setting for the double shot dispenser is 44 seconds, which includes the pre-infusion time and the wait time. Now this is the free flow, and what I have set for the steam temperature is that 65 degrees, and it automatically stops at 65 degrees. So those are the settings that I have made for this one. Next, we're going to make a latte. And now we're going to try the steaming function. First, purge your wand and then wipe. This is the steam temperature control, so it's going to stop at 65 seconds. So make sure you aerate and texture the milk within that time. Not 65 seconds, apologies for that, it is 65 degrees. Make sure that the temperature is correct and that I have enough texture for the milk. This is a perfectly good cup of coffee using ROMOLA Titan.